Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off comment sections in YouTube, your YouTube studios. You don't want any more comments or you want comments in your YouTube, right? First of all, you go to your settings, sign into your YouTube studio, go to settings. Okay, under community moderation, you click on the community moderation. You can turn this on, comments on new view videos and posts, turn it off. You don't if you want. That means all new videos you don't have any more comments, or you want comments, you turn it on. Okay, and then you can set whether you want moderation or no moderation, things like that. Okay, moderation. This is for live chat. This is the moderation. Okay, you can hold all comments or you can have strict comments. So this is the moderation. And yeah, this is for the community portion. And then this is for new video. You can also come into the upload default sections here. Go to advanced settings. Click on this. Okay. So every time when you upload, right, this thing you can turn it on or off. That means every time any new video, you can turn it off. All new videos will have no comments. If you want comments, turn it on. Okay, then you just save changes. Okay, save changes. And then okay, let's say you have already turned on your comments and you want to turn it off. Okay, turn off the comments in individual video. How to do it? First, go to your content sections, choose any of your videos. Click on this. Okay, and then scroll down. Scroll down, click on show more. Click on show more, scroll down. Okay, this one, comments and ratings. So if this video, let's say I don't want any comments, I just click on this. You can pause it or you turn it off like this. Or can turn it off. Then I click save changes. Okay, save changes and then comments will be off. Okay, comments will be off. Let's take a look. Meanwhile, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, loading. Thing. Take a while. How come the YouTube ad is take a while? Okay, now, okay, now this. Okay, there. Comments are turned off. Okay, so it's working. Let me just turn this back on. Scroll back. Okay, I turn it back on. And then I save. And I come here and refresh my video. Okay, wait for it to load. I've noticed the YouTube videos for the ads is getting very slow to load lately. Okay, it's not loading well. Okay, now it's back to my video. Okay, now you see the comment sections, people can start commenting. So there you go. Okay, can turn on and off your comments in individual video. So if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.